Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel. Let's talk about it. Today we are going to be talking about a new kid on the block, the Bright and Fun ebook package. I did an earlier video recording, but it wasn't up to snuff, so I'm doing it over. Now the product launched yesterday, December 10th, and I just want to talk about the product itself, what it offers, and who knows, maybe it could be something for you. Now, I start off by telling you that I have done a full review, and you can read the review here on my website, yesyoucandoit.com, the Bright Fun ebook package review. Now let's just get into things here. The package costs $9.97 and it was created by Gabrielle Conde. Let's just do the usual. We are going to look at the sales page. Then we're going to look at the actual parts of the package, and we're going to look at the tutorials as well. So here is the sales. Here is the sales page. It's a bright and fun, brandable ebook, easy to use ebook template for printing or opt-in online, and it's compatible with PowerPoint and Canva. It's quite simple, guys. There's nothing to it. If you are a newbie and you'd like to create your first ebook for yourself, for your family, for your friends, or just to get your feet wet, this is for you. It is uber simple. For our more advanced marketers, this might be a tad too easy, too simple for you. It might not be what you're looking for. I have in the description box below Scribble. It is fantastic, and that's probably more up to speed for those of us who are more advanced. However, let's get back to talking about the Bright and Fun ebook template. So here it is. It has a cover page, 15 inside pages, and 2 file formats, PowerPoint, Canva. Excuse me, sorry. And it has pages included, which of course Gabby has 6 page styles that you can choose from, as well as 4 types of tips or steps pages. She also has done for you branding. Now this is an upgrade to the basic package. You will see that on the review that I've written. You do get free video training, and this is in Canva and PowerPoint on how to access it, and I will just hop over there. So here you have, it's on her site, the Accupo Zen. It has the file access in the members area, and you have the PowerPoint tutorials, and you have Canva tutorials. So you will have what you need to make this all come together for you. Let's take a little look at the actual template itself. So here we have these 16 pages. You can do your title, add your name. Like I said, guys, it's pretty much set. You just have to fill in the blanks, write what it is your ebook is about, and I want to show you this. At the bottom of each page, in your footer area, you have your website. If you don't have a website, guys, you can probably even just write your title and your name on it. You can be creative. It really is simple. Let's just take a look. I kind of like the image holders. The circles are kind of cute, and you know, they pop out at you. So that's also very nice. What else? I wanted to show you something further on in the template. Just bear with me. It has a nice worksheet title, which you can use depending on what you're selling, if it's a product or your services. Perfect. And of course, the checklist. Everybody works well with the checklist. This is like having it right there on your document, which is very effective. And of course, your About Me section, which is at the back, will tell you all about, you will tell other readers about yourself, how you can help, what your experience is in order to give that help. And this is really great for those of us who are going to use the ebook as a source of marketing services. For example, yoga here as it's being exemplified. And, you know, all your information, your website, telephone number, so forth. So basically that's it. I will not be laboring on this review because it's not necessary. Reason why you may use an ebook, you can use it as an opt-in to your website, or to just brand your products, your services, and whatever it is. She does offer 100% money back guarantee if you're not satisfied with it for whatever reason. No questions asked. This is great. And of course, she does provide a list of usage rights, what you can do and what you cannot do. I'm not going to also lose time on that. I will leave the sales page below. Go take a look at it, familiarize yourself. So guys, it's $9.97. I think it's a great price. And like I said, you know, go check out my review, and it will go in depth as to what it's all about, what's being offered, who is it for, and little things like this. Of course, what I like, what I don't like. I have to do an edit right here because the video training when I did the review was not totally up, and I did write it, so I'm going to edit that part of my review. But other than that, everything else is there. The upgrades, the videos are the upgrade, one of the upgrades. For those of us who are more visual, need to see things, listen, hear, then that's a good way to go. And she does offer the branding done for you, private label branding. I think it's good for those of us who just want to have everything there at your fingertips. If you're not a research kind of person, well, she's got everything done for you, so this could probably be a good product for you to upgrade as well. And of course, I have 3 great bonuses to go with that. I have the affiliate list builder. I also have success in business and a profitable turnkey website ideas. Now, these are great bonuses that should help you, you know, tie in making an ebook and getting the marketing all set. It will help you, not just for this project, but for your online experience as well. So guys, go check it out. Easy, the Bright and Fun ebook package, I'm sorry, a little tongue-tied this morning. Created by Gabrielle Conde and price $9.97. And if you do get it, be sure come back, leave me a review, let me know how it's working for you. And other than that, have a great day, and thanks for listening.